If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Paramount Plus, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Access the Paramount Plus website. Go to the Paramount Plus website or open the app on your device. Make sure you are on the login page to begin the process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is often linked to resetting two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Paramount Plus account. Fill in the required field and submit the form to receive further instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Paramount Plus with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once you have reset your password and logged into your account, navigate to the account settings. Find the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to set it up again with your preferred method. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be successfully reset, allowing you to secure your account once more.